here, I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for more than 10 years now, and I will tell you one thing. Everyone can improve their GFR, even people in the advanced stages. And what many of you ask is, what can we do to make sure we are on the right path to improve? Are there supplements that are proven to help? So today I want to answer exactly this question. Today I want to focus on those supplements that are a must when it comes to protecting the kidneys. There are just 3 things, in my opinion, that you can't avoid taking. These are the essentials, the bare minimum for anyone who cares about their kidneys and doesn't want to end up needing renal replacement therapy. So let's see now what are the only 3 things everyone with kidney issues in any stage actually needs. First, a good fiber-based detoxifier. Okay, the very first thing I want to focus on is a way to protect the kidneys from unwanted toxins. A fiber-based detoxifier. And when I talk about detoxifiers, I'm referring to supplements such as activated charcoal, AST120, acacia fiber, lactulose, even psyllium husk may be used. What these do is trapping and removing toxins from the body so waste products are not reabsorbed from the colon into the bloodstream. And the reason why I believe taking one of these is essential is the huge amount of literature supporting their use in all the stages. Fiber-based detoxifiers are particularly supported in literature because they come with 2 benefits: removing toxins and improving gut health. So yeah, everyone may benefit from a fiber supplement, says science. And if I had to choose one, I would recommend acacia fiber. Acacia fiber has so many benefits. I personally take it every day. It's a powerful help for the gut flora, the beneficial microorganisms that live in your intestine and help you process nutrients and more. It helps with inflammation. It solves many digestive issues. And most important, it is so powerful when it comes to removing uremic toxins that it was given to people in stage 5 who wanted to avoid end-stage renal failure. Those people were able to benefit from up to 8 years of freedom from the big D machine despite being in stage 5. Acacia fiber is also very easy to use. You just need to mix 2 to 4 tablespoons a day in enough water, at least a couple of large glasses per day, and to take it before the main meals. Or you can add it to a smoothie. In my video up here and also down in the description, I've shared with you a simple recipe made with foods that are really good for the kidneys and that also taste good. Okay guys, next supplement everyone needs. Number 2, a good multivitamin. And here's another supplement strongly supported by today's science. Seriously, supplementing vitamins is so useful for people with CKD that in a decade I will not need to recommend them here anymore because your doctors will be prescribing them to you. At least, I hope. Because you see, having low levels of any vitamin at all is very dangerous and very common. It may lead to a faster decline in GFR, it may cause anemia, it increases the chances of hospitalization, and more. But unfortunately, 8 out of 10 CRF sufferers have 1 or more nutrient deficiencies. To avoid that, the first step will be taking a good renal multivitamin or an alternative to supplement-specific vitamins. In particular, you need vitamin D. This is probably the most important. In a recent study, low vitamin D levels were found in all kidney disease patients that were hospitalized. So take great care of your vitamin D levels if you don't want to damage your kidneys. Vitamin D has the unique property of significantly reducing the severity of proteinuria among patients with CKD. Proteinuria is one of the most important markers of kidney damage. Reducing proteinuria means directly slowing down the progression of CKD. Commonly recommended dosages in all the stages of CKD are between 600 IU and 1000 IU. This vitamin should always be taken with magnesium and vitamin K2. The second vitamin you need the most is vitamin C. Vitamin C is widely known for its function as an antioxidant. It actively improves immune health and protects the kidneys from oxidative stress. Remember that if you want to fight kidney disease and diseases in general, you need as many antioxidants as possible. This is why supplementing vitamin C in a low dose of 60 to 100 milligrams a day is a valid strategy to slow down kidney disease. Our last vitamin, this is also very important because it fights diabetes, anemia and cholesterol. Vitamins of the B group. All the vitamins of the B group should be supplemented when battling CKD. They all can help boosting your kidney health. B1 and B7 protect you from diabetes. B3 fights cholesterol. B6, B9 and B12 are crucial for anemia. Now, if you are in a rush, there are multivitamins specifically made for people with kidney problems. Some of the most known include Renovite, Nephrovite, ProRenal Plus. You can find some links in the description, by the way. But you see, I usually recommend getting informed more about vitamins since they are really crucial for you. There are so many people suffering from vitamin deficiencies, most without even knowing it, that I strongly recommend getting tested regularly and supplementing accordingly. So these two things we have seen can really help you because they are tested and proven. But you also need to make sure your diet and lifestyle are supporting your kidneys, not damaging them. The diet is particularly important because even alone, the right diet can give you a better kidney function, says science. And I've talked more in depth about this in my video up here and also down in the description. Watch it now to know more. Now, there are a couple of bonus supplements I have not included in this list that may be really useful. One is garlic. Okay, not really a supplement, even if there are garlic supplements available. Garlic is your best friend because it can fight hypertension. Garlic can lower blood pressure more effectively than certain prescription medications. It's the only food in the world that can do that. It may also help lower blood sugar levels, fight the inflammation, it has pain-relieving properties, and when mixed with lemon, it will even be able to lower your cholesterol levels. Just remember that to get the allicin, the compound in garlic responsible for the health benefits, you should chop garlic 10 minutes before consuming it. Another food so powerful that you can call it a supplement: ginger. Ginger is one of the foods with the most powerful anti-inflammatory effect there is. Not to mention that it can relieve nausea very quickly. And you don't need to prepare ginger in any special way. Fresh ginger works. Powdered ginger works. You can cook with it, you can use it in smoothies, you can just eat it. Another super useful supplement that didn't make the list is berberine. Berberine protects the kidneys because it can significantly help controlling blood sugar levels. Berberine can lower blood sugar levels by 30% or more, and it also similarly decreases HbA1c. Not to mention that it can really help you lose weight. Guys, many remedies are supposed to make you lose weight, but berberine is the only one that's actually proven to do that. In this study, obese people took berberine and they went from obese to overweight in only 3 months. But you know, berberine is not a remedy I would recommend everyone. While it's very powerful, if you don't have diabetes and if you don't need to lose weight, you don't need it. And guys, what do you think of the supplements we have seen so far? Do you take them? And what supplements are you taking that you believe are a must for everyone? Let's talk about it in comment section. Okay, now there is a case to be made about sodium bicarbonate also being essential for people with kidney disease. Metabolic acidosis is incredibly common and it needs to be treated. But maybe today there is a better alternative to sodium bicarbonate. Our last entry for today is number 3, magnesium. Magnesium, as I was saying, is something you need to supplement when taking vitamin D, but there is more to make this mineral even more essential. Just like for essential vitamins, you cannot live without enough magnesium. It helps keep blood pressure normal, bones strong, and the heart rhythm steady. Unfortunately, a deficiency in this mineral is very common among people with kidney problems, especially those taking diuretics and in diabetics, and it may cause poor sleep, high blood pressure, inflammation, and high uric acid levels. Lower serum magnesium levels are also associated with an increased risk of end-stage renal disease. Guys, supplementing magnesium may be the easiest way to improve creatinine levels in the world, at least for some patients. And not many people know this, but magnesium has very significant alkalizing effect on the body. Some studies are telling us that supplementing magnesium may be a better alternative to sodium bicarbonate in managing metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis, which happens when the body is too acidic, is a dangerous and unfortunately common complication of kidney disease and of diabetes. Now, you can't just supplement magnesium at random and hope to solve something like that. But if you want to learn more about it, you may actually use magnesium to make a difference. This is why I made a full video about it. It's up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.